Imagine this. The tantalizing aroma of wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard, the crackle of a fire, and a perfectly crispy 12-inch Neapolitan pizza ready in just 60 seconds. Sounds like a dream, right? With this Ooni Karu 2 multi-fuel outdoor pizza oven, this dream becomes your reality. Whether you're a seasoned pizzaiolo or a beginner craving restaurant-quality pizza at home, this portable, high-performance oven delivers unmatched versatility, precision, and flavor. In this in-depth review, you'll discover why the Ooni Karu 2 is the ultimate outdoor cooking companion, with innovative features, real-world performance, and its must-have status for pizza enthusiasts. Let's fire it up. Why the Ooni Karu 2 stands out in outdoor cooking. The Ooni Karu 2 isn't just another pizza oven. It's a masterpiece of engineering design to elevate your outdoor cooking game. Built with over a decade of expertise and customer feedback, this second-generation model refines every detail. From its sleek, durable design to its ability to churn out pizzeria-quality pies in minutes, the Karu 2 stands out for anyone passionate about food. Whether hosting a backyard pizza party or taking on a camping adventure, this oven delivers professional results with unmatched ease. What makes it truly special? The Ooni Karu 2 solves common pain points: inconsistent heat, tricky fuel management, and poor portability. Its multi-fuel versatility, rapid heating, and compact build make it a top pick for pizza lovers and outdoor cooks alike. Key features of the Ooni Karu 2 multi-fuel pizza oven. Multi-fuel flexibility. Choose wood, charcoal, or an optional gas burner for ultimate cooking versatility. Crave smoky, authentic flavor? Go traditional. Need convenience? Propane offers a quick, mess-free bake using less fuel. Blazing fast heat up. Reaches a scorching 950 degrees Fahrenheit, 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes, making 12-inch pizzas in just 60 seconds. Say goodbye to long preheats and hello to restaurant results at home. ClearView glass door. Borosilicate glass with ClearView technology lets you watch your pizza cook, cheese bubbling, crust rising, toppings crisping, without losing heat. The airwash effect keeps your view clear and minimizes soot. Advanced airflow management. The redesigned Draft Defender plate creates strong convection, ensuring even heat for perfectly cooked pizzas every time. Integrated thermometer. Monitor temperatures with precision to achieve the ideal baking range and crisp, Neapolitan-style crusts. Ultra-portable design. Weighing just under 34 pounds with a weather-resistant shell, it's ready for life on the go, camping, beach trips, or backyard setups. Durable construction. Cast aluminum details and a thick cordierite baking stone ensure this oven is built to last. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizza, cook steaks, veggies, calzones, and more. The 12-inch surface offers ample space for creative meals. Benefits of the Ooni Karu 2. Restaurant-quality results at home. Achieve authentic Neapolitan-style pizzas with a crispy, charred crust and wonderfully melty cheese. Unmatched versatility. Multi-fuel options let you tailor your experience. Get that smoky, artisanal flavor with wood or quick, mess-free meals with gas. Portability for any adventure. Easy to transport, perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard gatherings. Compact design means no sacrifice to performance. Who is the Ooni Karu 2 perfect for? Home cooks. Elevate backyard barbecues with restaurant-quality pizza. Camping enthusiasts. Enjoy a high-performance oven beside the campfire. Pizza purists. Craft authentic Neapolitan, New York, or Detroit-style pies. Beginners and pros. Its user-friendly design suits everyone, while its features satisfy experienced chefs. Real-world performance. In action, the Ooni Karu 2 truly delivers. Whether using wood or gas burners, it excels across multiple cooking sessions. Classic Neapolitan dough delivers a smoky, charred crust and chewy interior, while gas operation ensures consistent, evenly cooked pies. The ClearView glass door is a game-changer for monitoring without losing heat. Even in chilly weather, the oven reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, outperforming many competitors. Cleanup is simple, thanks to a practical fuel tray design. One minor drawback is that the gas burner is sold separately, adding to the cost for the full multi-fuel experience. However, the added flexibility is worth the investment. Why choose the Ooni Karu 2 over other pizza ovens? Compared to other portable pizza ovens, the Ooni Karu 2 stands out with its blend of portability, power, and versatility. The multi-fuel capability gives it an edge over gas-only models, while its compact size makes it more practical than bulkier ovens. The ClearView glass door and built-in thermometer add precision, and its robust construction ensures durability. Backed by a generous warranty, it's built for year-round use. Tips to get the most out of your Ooni Karu 2. Invest in a pizza peel. A perforated aluminum peel makes sliding pizzas easy. Use an infrared thermometer. Perfect your bake with accurate stone temperatures. Experiment with fuels. Wood for weekend smoke, gas for weekday speed. Protect your oven. Use a dedicated cover to shield from harsh weather. The verdict. Is the Ooni Karu 2 worth it? If you're serious about pizza or outdoor cooking, the Ooni Karu 2 multi-fuel pizza oven is a must-have. Its blend of innovation, blazing fast heat, and flexibility make it a standout in the pizza oven market. Whether you're cooking at home or taking the party outdoors, it consistently delivers professional results. Though the gas burner is an extra purchase, the performance and versatility more than justify the cost for passionate foodies. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.